What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now 2018 was a crazy year for Jordan 1 collaborations, but they're not done yet. They have another collaboration coming up with Union LA.
This is Chris. We're here at Union, my store, if you didn't know.
So if you don't know what Union LA is, it's a trendy boutique highlighting imported streetwear and outwear, also footwear for men, mostly from Japan. Now, if you go to Union LA's YouTube channel, they set up a fake booth at the Rose Bowl flea market showing some vintage Nike and Jordan, and they also mixed in this Jordan collaboration. They also set up fake cameras to get everyone's reactions. If you haven't seen the video, go ahead and watch it. It's pretty good. They had Emily Oberg.
If I buy and they're not real, do I get my money back?
From who?
Sean Witherspoon and a bunch of other YouTubers in it.
Got OG Union from like store openings and all of it. Like, I've never seen this shit, yo. There's no way it's real.
So basically what they did is they took an OG colorway and basically just stitched another colorway on them. So you have the amazing black toe colorway mixed in with some white and gray. And on the other sneaker, you have the white and blue mixed in with the band colorway. And on the side of the shoe, you also have that Union LA tag in that yellow. Now this shoe looks like it's gonna come with black and cream laces. Personally, in my opinion, I think the cream laces go crazy on them. I mean, the black ones look good too. It's just a little plain in my opinion. I also love how the midsole, it's not a pure white, it has like that cream vintage color. And just from the pictures, the quality looks amazing. I'm definitely gonna try and get my hands on a pair. When I first saw pictures, I wasn't the hugest fan of them. I just thought they looked kind of messy. But after I sat with them for a while, saw more pictures, they definitely grew on me. So if you are feeling these, I'm pretty sure you wanna know how you can get your hands on a pair. And just for you guys, I'm gonna tell you how you can do that. So the sneakers aren't gonna be released on Nike. It's not gonna be released on Union LA's website. So on November 17th, these are going to be released on unionjordan.com. It's a special microsite dedicated to this collaboration, and it's also going to be first come, first serve, no random selection or any of that. Now, Union LA is also going to be holding a raffle on November 10th and 11th, but unfortunately, there's no set location on that just yet. In my opinion, they snapped on the sneaker. They did an amazing job. Now, whenever there's a collaboration like this, I usually have like some complaints, or not really complaints. I would just like, I would just have like some critiques, like I would change a certain color here, or do something different there. But with this collaboration, I would not change a thing. And if I can just get my hands on a pair, that would be amazing. I also seen some people comparing these to the top 3 Jordan 1s, and this is just my opinion. They don't look anything alike. I mean, I do understand like the similar color blocking, but overall, it's just a completely different shoe. So I'm super hyped about this collaboration. Let me know if you guys feel the same way in the comments below. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.